Yo, what up, guys? Hey, man, shout out to God for making such a beautiful day. Before I get into this video, bro, I got some stickers and t-shirts for sale. What's going on, guys? I'm up here at the junkyard again, trying to get this lift kit. So my brother calls me as I'm walking out the damn door, and I completely forgot to go to my truck and get my big ass bag of tools out of the front seat. So here we are at the junkyard with these tools. Drop down bracket. Damn, I just hit my elbow on that. Here it is. Is this the one? Okay. Here's the Bilstein shocks that I want. Okay. So I'm glad I kept these in the freaking car. But there's another Silverado here. By the way, somebody commented and said it's either the Blazer or the Suburban. Well, they got rid of that Suburban. I think he's needing parts off of it. Listen, if you guys see anything in this video, parts wise, that you may need, and if you're willing to cash at me the money that it costs to get those parts and to ship them to you, I'll do it. But the thing is, I will have to see how much they cost and then reply back to your comment. Shit. And this is the one with the lift kit. Here it is. The big old Suburban. And then, yeah, if you're willing to cover shipping.
You have the needle nose pliers.
Huh?
You have the needle nose pliers.
I ain't got no other tools on me than this, man. I forgot mine at the house. What is this? I don't know. That truck got ripped apart. He's got some big shocks on it. Extended brake lines. 6 lug. Kind of looks like the spindle was even different, but I don't know. But I think it was that shock right there that I need. But this is a Suburban. I don't know if it's gonna fit. Isn't the other one a Suburban? This is the truck that I found all the tools in. Any tools left? Nope. I didn't really research to see if the lift kits would be different from a Suburban to a truck. I mean, I think it's all the same in the front, right? I know it's only different in the back because the frame curves up. On a truck, they're straight. But we'll go back over here. I thought that lift kit was bigger. It looks like it's the same size. And I don't know what it is. I think it's like a 3-inch lift kit, 4-inch lift kit. Don't matter none. Because if anything, I can buy it, clean it up really good, paint it if I need to, and resell it. But yeah, I don't know. Guys. Hang on a second. Alright, guys, looking at the comparison, I took a picture of the last one. I think they're the same size. And this one's just going to be a hell of a lot easier to get to. And plus, it has Bilsteins on it. We all know Bilsteins are like the best. And still got the brake calipers intact. So that means that the brake hoses are not going to be all tore up. Well, this one doesn't have a new brake hose on this side. But I think what I'm gonna get today is, if I can anyway, looks like we got a bolt missing from here. I'm gonna try to get this whole front plate right here that goes all the way across. And shoot, why does the tie rod ends look different? Are the tie rod ends different on a Suburban than a Silverado? Dude, I don't know. I wish I would have done some research on this. It looks the exact same though as my truck. But I need these right here too, these drop down. So the drop downs and that right there. And this piece right here. So there's 3 major pieces that I need. So actually 4, 5, 6 pieces that I need. And I have no idea how much they're going to charge me for that, because that right there, that cross member alone is $75. So, damn. Let's see, I need the cross member, that's $75. All 4 drop down brackets for the upper control arms. I don't know how much those would be. Plus the Bilstein shocks, extended brake lines, and the drop down piece for the whatchamacallit, the front diff. So, oh man, probably looking about maybe like $200 here. I mean, I got the money, but really wasn't trying to spend $200 on a fucking lift kit. But I mean, I can always sell it, I guess. So let me see if I can get these damn things off anyway. Alright guys, so because my brother called me and distracted me, I wasn't able to get my damn tools. So I can get these bolts out because it spins freely anyway. But it spins on the back side, and I only have 1 breaker bar and a bunch of sockets. So I'm not going to be able to get that. And there's nothing really else that I need though. I mean, I don't know, there might be. I guess I can look around and try to find some things. Should I try to get this? Nah, I don't want to get their shocks if I can't get the lift kit. It'd be kind of pointless. Damn. Why do people have to call me, bro, and distract the shit out of me? Damn, man. I mean, I guess I could. Nah, I wouldn't even be able to get these off either. Damn. Bilsteins. I wouldn't even be able to get those off, because you need to put a socket or a wrench on one side and spin the other side with a socket or a wrench. And I'm just not going to be able to. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. Oh, I tried, guys. I mean, what I could do is go home and come back, but nah. What is it? It's only 12:42, so I would have enough time. Alright, you guys, I got the 2 bottom bolts out for this, and these ones are loose. But see, I could probably get these out. I need to take weight off of this whole thing, so that way I can hit those bolts out, and then I should be able to get those out. Actually, I think those actually go to something else. Damn it. What else do they tie into? And of course, can't tell on this side, so I don't know. But if I can get that side loose, I can probably get this side loose. Looks like there's some squares in there, probably for the bolts are probably not threaded all the way down or something, I don't know. But shoot, I mean, if I can get those drop down brackets off, then I mean, I could probably just come back and get the rest of that. So, because I can get this right here off eBay for like $60. Alright guys, so I went on eBay, and it looks like the only piece, I mean, there's a bunch of pieces, like a bunch of hardware and stuff. It looks like it comes with this piece right here, but it's not shaped like that. So, I don't know. I guess I'm gonna try to get these drop down brackets right here, because I mean, if I have those, then you know, I'm one step closer to getting a lift kit. Alright you guys, it seems like I couldn't get the lift kit off. I figured I'd look for something else I can get, and I found an exhaust. And I don't think I could have found a better truck to get the exhaust off of. So It comes with, it's literally everything that I need, both sides, except for my truck has true dual exhaust that comes off both sides, and it goes all the way down to the muffler. But this one has a white pipe that connects into one and goes all the way down. Now, just that right there is going to be $21. Now, if I can get this whole entire exhaust off, it'd be $41, and I need a whole entire exhaust. So I'm thinking I might just go ahead and try to get the whole exhaust. But yet there's more brand new body bushings. But I do need brand new body bushings too. So I don't know, guys, we'll see. But I just, dude, these bolts, I don't, it's crazy. These bolts, they came off so easy. They didn't give me not one fight. That's crazy, dude. So yeah, didn't even give me a fight. Just came off super easy. But I might try to get this whole exhaust, but I don't know yet. Oh, there's that. I need this whole entire piece, baby. Yes, sir. It's even got the freaking and it's the red truck from last time. Somebody had came and took the leaf springs off. Yeah, you know what? I might go ahead and try to get the whole exhaust. I just don't know how I'm going to fit it in a car. So, anyway, it's off right there. Just need to get it off right here. But it bolts in, so I might be able to get that unbolted. But yeah, anyway, I came to the junkyard and I got this piece right here for the spare tire holder. And I was thinking about getting this piece, but I don't know how much it's going to cost. So I figured I'd get something that I need and wait to get something that I want. And I think these are air shocks. Yeah, these are air shocks, guys. What? I might get these, dude. Honestly, I might have to. Air shocks, bro? Nah, I already got shocks for my lift kit. I don't need to get any more. But let me get this out of here. And, woo, piece of candy. Let me get this up out of here and go pay for it. A whole exhaust with no muffler is $21. A whole exhaust with